In today's video, I will teach you how to create a window light ray brush using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the image that you would like to edit. Now, at the bottom of the Layers panel, create a new fill or adjustment layer and select Color Lookup. Here, select a filter that you would like to put onto your image, and once you're satisfied, open the image of your window shadow. Now, press Ctrl-Shift-U to desaturate your image. Then, create a new fill or adjustment layer and select Levels. Now, adjust the levels to where there is only black and white left and the contrast is high. Now, press Ctrl-I to invert the image, and in the menu bar, open the Edit tab and select Define Brush preset. Here, just rename the brush to your liking, then click OK. Now, go back to your image, make a new empty layer by clicking on its icon at the bottom of the Layers panel, or simply press Shift-Ctrl-N on your keyboard. Then, set the blending mode to overlay and reduce the opacity to around 80. Adjust the size of the brush, and simply click on the area where you would like to put the window light rays on. And you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.